Hey, welcome back to our channel. I'm Annabelle.
I'm Alan.
You're normally Jeff. We're just wondering, last time I left you with a fully plaster-bodied room, I have somehow managed to blow 4 bulbs. We've stolen that one from somewhere else, haven't I?
Yes,
And
proved it right.
Willow's
Not impressed.
trying to come in. But today we are tiling the wall in some beautiful green
And the floor.
and the floor.
Not
Eventually
in
tonight, but no, and the floor in these stone tiles.
Matches your top.
It does. So we thought we'd bring you along.
And we've updated our light switches. Well, look at our light switches.
Yeah, broke that as well. So yeah, the first step is to mix the adhesive and water. Oh, hello. So it says to mix powder to water. No, powder to water and mix to smooth
Sorry for making noises.
lump-free consistency. It doesn't tell you how much.
I would like to show you Annabelle's face when she looks at me. It's a revolting. She does this. Anytime I do anything, move, exist, breathe, happens at me.
Because I'm trying to talk. So yeah, add water till it goes smooth. Probably should choose which pattern you do before
Mixing the towel.
mixing your faceting
Towel juice.
towel juice. Quick look on Pinterest. Oh, I like that, I think.
Yeah, that's the
It's
easiest.
different, so I think we're opting for that.
Is our towel juice mixed like that, or do we need?
Smooth?
It's kind of smooth with lumps.
No, it's a smooth consistency.
Yeah, I got bored of doing the.
I mean, I think it'll be okay. Maybe have a go. Yeah.
A significant life, just what it was needed.
So, we lost you, got a bit stressful because my towels kept coming out a lot shorter than they should have been. But let me show you where we've got to.
She are good at work and always blames her tools.
No, it was me. We've done all here, the ties slowly get shorter. But I swear, they're all 15 and a half, they should have been 16. Missed by half a centimetre somehow. And the wall gets taller, I think, because I don't think this room is square. So we're carrying on
You're not
round.
thinking about this square, is it?
No. You work with what you can. The
your
grout
head.
will hide a lot.
Your head's square.
So we're just applying it on. He's doing everything he possibly can to avoid the bath. Jeff. Avoid the bath. Clean up after yourself, Jeff.
It's
Right.
ceiling.
So now we're going to go up this wall, aren't we?
Yes.
And see how far we can get
We've
up.
got water going up here the wall.
Yeah, true. Big wall. Would you like to see an update? We've been dark now, so we've kind of halted progress because of noise for neighbours, and also dogs need feeding, humans need feeding, dogs need walking, and we need to rest. So look. How pretty is that going to look? I love it. It's going to look so good. Exactly what we envisioned. It's like a grey, green, marbly effect kind of tile. kind of see, like almost muck it in. I'm trying to scrape it as we're going, making sure there's no bits that are going to upset the grout. But yeah, it's super pretty, super excited. New lights are coming tomorrow, and I've also just sheared this like it's a sheep to get 2 more floorboards down to raise it up by about 9 mil. Don't know if you'll be able to see. So before it was down there, and now it'll just mean, so when the Thailand adhesive, it should literally just lift up enough, and then we'll have like a threshold there if it needs it. It might not if it's literally that perfect little brush. But yeah, be excited to see some of these down, but just to give an idea. Maybe that flooring with them tiles. It should look like kind of mixture between farmhouse, Mediterranean, Moroccan vibe, I think. Maybe a bit of Italian. Every country, no. I'm going Mediterranean vibes. Mediterranean cottage vibes. You know, our vibe. So excited to see this done. We're not sure what to do here, but we'll get to that, and I'm sure we'll show you the whole process. But for now, dinner and walk the dogs. Morning. It's a brand new day and day 2 on renovating the bathroom. Someone's still in bed.
I'm not on bed.
And this is how the bathroom is looking this morning. So we need to do these couple and then build up. These ones need to be cut with a grinder, so we're not going to be able to do them. But these should be relatively easy, so yeah, let's go. Tape measures in here. We now have a full
attached to something.
and this.
Hi.
These cuts were dire, weren't they, Jim?
They weren't easy.
These ones, tiny little slithers, but we did it. We've now got to get these 2 centimetre strips done, and we found a way to do it, so let me show you. Really sorry I've been really bad at filming, it's just been stressful, but we've got our tile. We need just under 2, so we'll just mark whatever size you need, and always go a bit less. Just under 2. Just under 2. Do the line. Line. And then, do you remember the tool in the last vlog when I was using this to cut through grout? Well, this cuts ceramic too. So I'm going to cut it with this until I get all the way down. And then we got diamond. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but a diamond. There you go. Jigsaw blade, which is the same thing as this, but more power. So then this bit we go through with the jigsaw, and it goes, and it doesn't snap. She says, let's do it. And then you end up with little slithers like this until you have enough.
Hey, lads.
What we do now, removing the...
This.
Oh, he's already done it. Removing the wall because of the... What's it called? The bilge... It's not a bilge pump. culprit pump was like here.
On a normal household socket,
yeah,
which can't have been waterproof, which doesn't seem to make sense. So we're going to make it
very
better.
unsafe. Oh my giddy god.
Like the light that's currently resting on your head.
Yeah, really safe.
We've both just had a nap.
I haven't napped. I'm not good. But yeah, I've been cutting these to go. And that little slither there. And then we're going to move that unsafe thing to down here. So then when you get into the shower, you just switch it on and then get in.
Other than being in the shower with you.
Yeah, because otherwise, wet electrocution.
It's only 12 volt.
Still not safe. So yeah, we're going to move that now. Quickly, and then I guess we'll come back to tiling. When someone's adamant they have to use gloves, and now they're just playing with mud.
Playing with mud.
You'd literally, and he's even got it
Couldn't get
on the
anything.
tap.
I couldn't get any of our tools behind the tap.
But we have put all the little slithers, which means this wall is now completely dead.
Gone in.
But now we need to stop, Jim, because we've only got this box and half a box left.
Good.
Stop, 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 stop.
No.
Stop.
No.
Stop playing with mud.
I'm not playing with mud.
You are. And then let's get some tiles up. It's recording.
Hey up, lads. So.
We're having double poo.
No fun though.
On bog.
Right, so, what are we saying?
Sue.
1 minute, lads. Right.
We're exhausted.
I'm exhausted. I've had a nap on the floor by accident.
I haven't.
Annabelle's had a nap in bed, couldn't get her up. It took a bit longer than we planned. But we're at this stage now.
We're 3/4 done. Wish she had like a zoom out.
And messy. Good section. This needs doing. Ran out of tiles because Annabelle ate them all. We've got a couple left. Yeah, so we're here. That's what we got. So yeah, obviously it needs finishing and bringing together, but we're
So good. It looks good. I'm just tired.
probably it for today, isn't it? Maybe we'll do some floor because we're out of tiles and I'm pretty sure the tile shop will be closed because it's 2 in the morning.
Oldies.
We're going to see.
I'll do that way. They don't need to see my face while you're talking.
Who are you going to see? Morris and Julie.
Today.
Tile place.
I don't know. Roger and something.
Roger and something.
I don't know.
That's a funny woman's name.
Roger was cute.
Annabelle fancies
I
Roger.
don't fancy Roger.
Annabelle wants a bit of Roger.
So
Annabelle wants a bit of Roger in orange.
we're finished tiling.
It's like a mug shot.
Because we had this many left.
Our hair is full of chalk. That's why it's so frizzy.
I want to do a hair mask. I want to have some curry.
We might clear the floor and attempt the floor in a bit though. We need to paint this as well. Paint this.
You're so scatty on vlogs.
Paint.
So scatty, isn't it? Comment below, isn't he scatty? More scatty than me. So get lost. Willow, ow, it's there. And for today we're finished
There's fun
tiling,
switches.
and yeah.
It's very aggressive.
We're going to have some food. But yeah, how good is that looking? I think we'll leave it here for now, so we'll see you in the next one when we complete the rest of the bathroom.